Everyone at work is laughing at me for studying CCNA. Are they right? Before you answer that, click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on this CCNA training bundle. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. So here's the thing. My coworkers keep saying CCNA is dead, that cloud certifications are the only way to go now. And honestly, it had me questioning everything. But after digging into this, I've got some thoughts that might surprise you. First off, let's talk about what CCNA actually covers in 2024. The current 200-301 exam isn't your grandfather's networking cert. We're talking network fundamentals, sure, but also network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, and automation. That last part? Automation and programmability. Not exactly outdated territory. Here's what nobody tells you. While everyone's chasing the shiny new cloud certs, companies still need people who understand how networks actually work. You can't troubleshoot what you don't understand, and cloud infrastructure still runs on networking principles. This particular course bundle includes practical labs, which is huge. You're not just memorizing commands, you're actually configuring routers and switches. The hands-on experience alone makes it worth considering. Plus, CCNA is often a stepping stone to more specialized certifications. So are my coworkers, right? Maybe about some things, but dismissing CCNA entirely, that's throwing the baby out with the bathwater. Ready to decide for yourself? Hit that link in the description for your discount and see what all the fuss is about.